Medikonda Nutrients is committed to delivering nature-derived ingredients of uncompromised purity and quality. Our turmeric powder is crafted through a carefully controlled process that preserves its natural color, aroma, and curcumin richness. The journey begins at the farm, where turmeric rhizomes are carefully harvested at peak maturity. Farmers hand-select fully developed healthy roots to ensure the best color, aroma, and curcumin content before they move to the processing facility. Every incoming lot undergoes strict quality checks, evaluating color, maturity, aroma, and overall raw material integrity. The harvested rhizomes undergo thorough cleaning to remove soil, fibers, and impurities. Multiple wash cycles ensure complete hygiene before processing. The cleaned rhizomes are steam blanched for 45 to 60 minutes. Steam blanching inactivates enzymes, stabilizes color, and supports a brighter final product. The blanched rhizomes are moved to the dehydration area, where they undergo advanced drying techniques such as hot air drying or mechanical drying under controlled temperatures. This step removes moisture while protecting nutrient integrity. After drying, the hardened turmeric rhizomes move to the size reduction stage, where they are broken into smaller, even pieces. This helps prepare the material for smoother grinding, improves efficiency, and supports a uniform final powder. After size reduction, the cut turmeric moves to the pulverizing or grinding stage, where ultra-fine grinding technology converts it into a smooth, consistent powder while preserving color and curcumin quality. The ground turmeric is passed through multiple sieves to ensure uniform particle size and purity. Only the finest powder moves forward. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, moisture content, and bioactive components, ensuring it meets international quality standards. Finally, our organic turmeric powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.